Alright, so I'm along French Creek and I am finding some garbage that I'm gonna be picking up. So, looks like remnants of people's fishing supplies, but it is all over the place. Just gotta look for it. So yeah, I got a pretty good pile here. Found some, there's a bobber, there's another bobber, it's a flip-flop. I'm getting a pretty good pile. In like 4 minutes, I picked up all this trash. I've got 9 water bottles, 5 bobbers, and then a bunch of other random odds and ends and stuff like that. But in just a couple minutes, you can pick up a bunch of stuff, but leave the creek better than what it was. Pretty cool. But pretty sad to be able to pick up this much stuff. Alright, this time I'm down by the creek at Harbaugh Park picking up garbage, and only been here for a couple of minutes and I already have that big pile of garbage, and there's stuff all over the place. Just everywhere there is garbage. But we're making it better by picking it up. Once you have your garbage, make sure you dispose of it properly. Throw it all away.